Jordan. Let's get her dialed up here. Just lovely. Lovely vintage Ampeg, buddy. Nice work, kid. All right, this is cranked up. This cabinet produces a ton of really rich and thick mids, not to mention low end, obviously. Little hum from the preamp tubes. Obviously a pretty big roll off on the low end frequencies plugging into the bass input with the guitar. But not that much. Well, that'll fix it. Let's see if there's any interactivity between the two channels. I think there is. No. Beautiful sounding amp though. Wow. Wish I had a bass guitar in here. It's got that late 50s, early 60s vintage amp thing going on where you have some thick low end, you have some really rich mids, and the highs are more centered around the upper mids, where I think it would be amazing with a presence control for guitar. Now for bass guitar, that's another story, but lovely amp, buddy. Appreciate you letting me work on it. Bye.